Let's now take an unboxing and a first look at the Renpho Calibra 1 Smart Nutrition Scale. As you can see, there it is just there. You've got the scale and you've also got the app that pairs with it. So I'm going to go and take a look at this just now. Now again, lovely packaging by Renpho. Pretty standard with what they have. Nice packaging as well, keeping it all nice and secure. So there is, we've got the instruction booklet there in the box as well. Put that to the side. Let's take a look at the scale. So nicely well wrapped here. Now again, you can already see this is a very good size scale. Look at that compared to my hand size. I'm just going to move that to the side. Now it comes with batteries built in, which is good. So let's just undo that. Now turn on here. Now there is a scale just there. Now you can see it automatically goes straight to number of grams, which is good. So you can change, it does up to 5 different types of measurements. So we put that on there. So that's rice, for example, if we'd want to go and measure the weight. We change the unit to ounces, pounds and ounces. So you can also do tare as well. So if you want to do a base weight, you can do that. But look at that, very, very nice style. I love the silver look. Again, there it is there.